Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're also welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make meat pie. This video is long awaited and I can't wait to show you guys. This is our Nigerian meat pie, foolproof. You know those Mr. Biggs meat pie of those days? Yes, that's what I'm going to make, not potato pie, because people have really bastardized this thing. The potato should be cut in cubes, then the pepper should be just 1 or 2 rodo. That's my meat, my egg, my ginger. Please know that this carrot is grated, 2 carrots. That's my onion. That's salt. The bigger one is salt, the smaller one is baking powder. The measurement will be in the description box below. I also have flour, I have sugar. I'm going to start by mixing my butter with the flour to give it that crumb-like consistency, the breadcrumb consistency. I'm also going to add my milk. I'm going to add my baking powder, my salt, and my sugar. I'm going to try as much as possible to mix this till I have this kind of consistency, a crumb-like consistency, breadcrumb consistency. I'm going to create a well. Then pour in my water. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel. At this stage, I'm going to crack in my egg. For this mixture, I'm going to use 1 egg. Then the other egg will be used later in the video. Now I'm going to dust my surface because I didn't pour all the flour, because I want to use the remaining to knead dough. Now I'm going to knead the flour into the dough so as to incorporate everything together until I have something like this. At this stage, I'm going to keep it in a bowl, then cover it and leave it to rest for 30 to 45 minutes. Now I'm going to head right on to my potatoes because I need to cook them. I need to cook it until it's soft. Then I'm going to pour in some oil, say about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Then add in my onions, my pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. If you love dry, you can use dry. You are not compelled to use rodo. I'm going to add my meat. I'm going to let it boil till it looks something like this. Then I add my seasoning. I added 1 cube here. Later I added half of that cube again. So this is my ginger. Then I'm adding in my salt to taste. There's no exact measurement for the salt, according to what you'd like. This is just flour and water. This is a thickener for the mixture. I like mine to very watery kinda. I added in my potato and my carrots, my grated carrots. Then I'm going to add in my water and flour mixture to give it that thickened effect. You want your mixture to be thick. At this stage, your mixture is ready. Like, look at how mushy it is. Now I'm going to dust my surface because at this stage I want to be rolling my dough. But I'm not just going to roll it at once. I am going to divide it into different parts. From this recipe I got 14 meat pie. You would get more if you really maximize the dough. After cutting it from one, I could get like 2 out of it, 2 meat pies. So that was how I was able to get 14. So I'm just going to knead it further, then roll it. I'm going to show you 2 ways of actually making your meat pie, or cutting the dough to a perfect size. The first one is to use a saucer. This saucer is quite small, but you could use one which is bigger than this. But I just want to show you different ways of actually making your meat pie. Now that I've secured my dough, I'm going to just put in some of, then cover it up. Please, you don't have to fill this up, like fill it so much, because it will just open the meat pie. At this stage, you just have to put just 1 spoon or even half. This is the first stage. You can either use your fork to make an indentation that closes the mouth. Then the second method is using molds. This is a dumpling mold. Our Igbo people call it dumpling. We call it meat pie. So this one is so easy. It just does everything for you so fast. You don't need to use your fork. But trust me, there are cases where you use this and the mouth keeps opening. Of this video, I ended up using fork to do it our Ninja style at the end of the day. This is the second egg. I'm just going to use it as a wash on top of the meat pie. This is just an egg wash. The essence of this is to make your meat pie look attractive when it comes out. It has that shiny dough, burnt dough texture at the top, looking all shiny, and it's calling you like, eat me, eat me. That's what this will do for you. And when you bring it out and it doesn't shine like you want, to add another one. There's nowhere it stated that the thing must not shine. It will have to shine. So don't mind me, I'm just playing with this video. If you're enjoying it, please hit the subscribe button, like it, share to somebody who needs it. The essence of using this fork to indent the meat pie, because some people do not believe it works. Yes, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Like, look at this one, I didn't indent it, but it came out nice. The others too came out good. The essence of indenting it is to stop it from opening when it's baking, because the inside would inflate, so it could open. Look at how yummy this is. Look at how yummy. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.